and welcome back. So if you're looking for a job like either in software or in research or in content or in marketing, sales, you name it, as a product manager, then this video is for you. So there's an opening at Edureka company, which is an edtech company and provides various certification courses. So we will be exploring various job opportunities and how you can get a job in this company through the reference, right? So, but before we proceed to seeing all the website and all the details, I have provided my email address in the description box. If you find it suitable, send your resume to me so that I can forward this to the HR. And if you are eligible enough, if it suits their profile, then you will be contacted, and there will be several rounds of interview depending upon the position, and then you'll be hired as per your performance. So there are two things that I want to make clear is that sending me reference is not an assurance that you will get a job. Secondly, sending me a resume is something which I can refer to and also get back what is the status of your application. So there's an advantage to it because you will always know what is your status, whether you have been approved or what happened in the interview rounds or not. And secondly, it's better than having nothing. So you can work from home or you can work from the office location that is in Bangalore. Everything depends upon you, your choice. So it is open for both, either from work from home or from the office. So without further ado, let's just see various positions, and I would just share it with you. So this is the company Edureka, and let me tell you one thing. After having worked in this company, there are many things that I have observed that it is demanding. Okay, you need to be hardworking. You need to give good content, quality, and it's fun to work here because you get to learn so many things, and the pay scale is also good, guys. You won't be embarrassed or disappointed. So, and you have a lot of creativity. If you have it in you, then this is the best platform to just unleash it. I could say that. Okay, so you can read about Edureka about here. What is this? So this is an edtech company and it gives various certification courses on cybersecurity, data science, machine learning, you name it, it's a digital marketing or artificial intelligence, various PGP courses, certification courses are there. And on YouTube, it is the leading, I would say, world-class provider for the tutorial and the education material. Since so many years, even I learned from Edureka, they're full 4 hours tutorial for machine learning and stuff. So in the beginning, I also used to learn from it. And now I got an opportunity to work with the big brand Edureka. So I'm just extending this opportunity so that you can also join our team, our gang. So when join us, what do you have? The open positions at Edureka. The positions are for product, marketing, sales, delivery solutions, technology, content, and so on. So if you're interested in content writing, then definitely you can send me your resume. In marketing, so let's just explore one of the job descriptions of research analyst. So basically, what do they want? They want at least you should be a BTech, Bachelor's of Engineering, Computer Science, or Information Technology, because you will be working with various concepts of computer science, and that's why they need a Bachelor's of Technology. And this research analyst would be involved in converting the complex concepts into more simplified concepts and present it in a manner which is really appealing to the wide audiences. So more on this job opportunities would be clear once you are into this field, and the managers are really helpful in helping you learn the concepts, the new things, and even the teammates are very supportive. And initially, you will be going through various rounds of interviews, and depending on the task they give you or based on your profile, as some profiles would not be requiring, some profiles would be requiring some kind of a small, small work to be done, like a presentation or content writing, something like that. And that could be worked out, figured out once you are through or once you decide to do that. Another thing is that I want to tell you that you can apply from here also. But the thing is that I cannot assure you what is the status of your application. Right. So if I get it, it goes through my email, and then I can assure you what happened with your application and what is the process, right? The feedback you could get. So here the location, don't worry about Bangalore. It is open to work from home also. And the career opportunities are good. Growth is good. If your performance is really nice, you can scale up to very high positions also. And the pay is also nice, guys. It is good. You won't be disappointed. Trust me. Go ahead with the site. I will provide the link of edureka.co/careers in the description. And as you can see, they've got the silver button, YouTube. So it is good to be associated with the brand because you understand how things really work and you get more professional in the way things are done. So I'll just get back to you that please make sure that if you do not have a job or you're looking currently for a job, try this. And this would not be an embarrassment, provided you are open to learn and you are open to give your learnings. Okay, so whether it is content or research or marketing or sales, in any of these domains, if you have experience or you do not have experience, so based upon these two things, experience, non-experience, you will be given a profile suitably, a suitable profile, I would say. So don't worry about that I am a beginner or a fresher, so should I apply or not. So don't let it be a hindrance. Take my advice, apply. The worst scenario would be you would be rejected, but at least you would have an experience that these are the questions which are being asked for so and so profile. So prepare those questions when you are applying for another job. Okay, so every failure adds some learning. Okay, so if it is a success, we will celebrate it together, and if it is a failure, that is again one of the stepping stone so that you reach a higher goal, a higher position, and a very, very good esteemed company. So either ways, win-win. It is a win-win situation. Take it like that. And I'm really excited and I'm really happy to share this thing. So send me your resumes and I'll forward them. And I would definitely like to see you at Edureka, and we'll party together if you're there. So it really feels good when your family members are there, extended family members are there with you working together. It gives a good bonding. Okay, so that is it from my side, and do apply. It's a good opportunity, and work from home, it's a yes. You want to work from Bangalore, from the head office, if you're there, it's a yes. So either ways, it's good, and yes, you will sink in, the work life, and you'll enjoy too. So coming to an end of this video, do send me your resume ASAP, okay, so that we can just start the process very soon. All right, and all the best. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.